So this is day 2 at Cyprus. This is the room where we stay on Larnaca. And yeah, it's cozy, nice bed, couch. It also has a balcony. It's a bit stiff. Table, chairs, a view of the neighborhood. By the way, it's really hot today. I'm going to close this so next people to arrive has a fresh room. And it's really bright. As you can see, it's a corner room, so you have windows on both sides. This is kind of a renovated house that they converted in a hostel. So yeah, nice. Perfect for one night and maybe even for a week. I wouldn't say that it's good to work because you don't have any table or desk. And this is the toilet. It's a bit messy because people already showered today. Maybe the shower pressure could be a bit better. And the kitchen. We also have a washing machine. And downstairs there's another toilet. And a kitchen, of course. So, and by the way, they have self-check-in and self-checkout. You only need to put the code and put your keys and then you're out. So yeah, basically overall, I like the hostel. So the plan for today is take it easy. We are walking to the city center and we'll have lunch, or more like a brunch. After that, we will take a bus to the airport and we will pick up the car. And from there, we will go to Limassol. The original plan before everything happened in Israel was to arrive today from Israel and grab the car and drive to Limassol. But since everything moved a couple days, then we make one night on Larnaca. This must be the place where you can find everything in Larnaca. They even have CDs. I wonder who still buys this, or DVDs. Maybe if you're a collector. I think I dropped my DVD player like 10 years ago. This place has a lot of things that I like, but I just don't like to collect. So to make sense from my previous comment, I like all the stuff that store sells, but I just don't like to collect them. I don't like to have things at home to only showcase them. I have only a bunch, maybe like 5-10 items, but I wouldn't go further. So to give you an idea, I like Harry Potter, I like Legos, I like Marvel stuff. It's just that I don't like to buy their stuff. So today I'm going to have lunch at McDonald's. One thing that you need to understand is that I'm a big fan of McDonald's and I like to eat McDonald's at least once on every country. Mainly to see what's the difference between one country and another. And yeah, just like McDonald's. So once in every country is a must. There are not too many differences compared to other McDonald's. I already tried this one, but still. Someone put a lot of effort into this. The only reason to make this is you getting tired of being asked. And here we go again. So basically I've been trying to get the car, but I can't because my driver's license doesn't indicate since when I am a driver, so they can't prove that I've been a driver since I'm 18. So this company doesn't want to give me the car because they said that the insurance won't allow it. So basically, if I can't get a history of my driver's license, I won't be able to get the car. So this company worked. They didn't care that my driver's license is not old enough. They kept in mind that I'm 34 years old and that's what's important. I've been driving my whole life. I can't believe that if my driver's license is not old enough, then I can't drive. That's just so stupid. So, new experience. Driving on the right side. Let's see how this goes. The traffic is terrible. So made it in one piece. But I don't want to ever in my life drive again on the right side. Never again. This is the parking lot of the hostel. So now first floor. And finally on the hostel room. Simple room. Double bed. Balcony. Nice. And there's the car. Hello car. Yeah, not the best view, but at least it has a balcony. So now let's grab some food. I was chilling for a bit on the hotel, getting some stuff settled. I had to solve some stuff with the car that we couldn't rent. Some refunds of some flights that were cancelled while we were at Tel Aviv. So companies owe me money. I swear, traffic in this city is terrible. Well, really, it's not the most interesting street. It's dark, it's full of cars, it's noisy. I hope once we get to the shoreline it gets better. So just after I say that, I noticed this street. I took a turn and at least it has more light, more people, less traffic. And we found something nice. This looks more cozy and more welcoming. This is nice. So slowly we are getting to where the people are. Although I would have expected a bit more life, it's not that lively. Maybe it's because it's Tuesday. Maybe that's what I need in my life. Prices here are insane. 30 euros for a plate of pasta. Clearly this is the touristic place and not the place to grab a bite. Unless you're rich. Here's the marina. I think so far I like more Larnaca. I'm already regretting not staying in Larnaca and staying here. This is just like a really big city and it doesn't have the charm of a small town next to the beach, and yeah, it's missing something. So you get a nice view of the city from here. So yeah, the promenade is the highlight so far. It's really nice actually. I think the only issue are the kids driving their bikes like crazy. They're going to hit someone. I'm not liking this city that much. Streets are dark. There are so many abandoned buildings. The streets are empty. And we find some life. People are alive here. So we came here looking for a specific restaurant that has really good reviews and you can get some local food. But we saw other places, so we are exploring and see what other things we can find, and then we will decide. So supposedly this is for one person, but I think 2 people can eat from here. So this is halloumi cheese, it's grilled and it's really good. It's also chicken, french fries and pita bread. I don't know if this is the right way to eat it, but I will put some lemon on it. And also on the cheese. And we already have a visitor. People are feeding them. There are like 4 or 6 cats. One cool thing about Cyprus is that they give you a free dessert. Yesterday in the restaurant was the same, and this one has like cinnamon. It's like an apple mousse. It's really hard to describe, but I think this is polenta with cinnamon. The texture is the same. That was a good dinner. So it's about 10:30, so yeah, we're just going to bed and rest for the rest of the day. And tomorrow will be another day. Cities at night are really beautiful, but only if you know how to properly light them. Some cities have beautiful buildings, but at night they turn off all the lights and then you can't appreciate anything about them. This cat appears on Google Maps and it's called the cat in the square. I really wonder why someone would do that. Maybe this cat is always here.